Namaskara friends. Today we are learning a topic that sounds difficult, but I promise you it's super simple. Binary numbers, zeros and ones, how computers understand everything. Let's make it easy. Welcome back to TeachMeAK, helping beginners learn computers easily. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅಜಿತ್ and I explain computers in simple English and Kannada so anyone can understand. Today's topic is computer number system, decimal, binary and why computers use 0 and 1. Number system means a way to represent numbers. Each system has its own digits and a base. In this lesson, now kalitivi what is a number system, decimal versus binary, why computers use binary and simple conversions. Now, what is a number system? Number system andre numeric values represent ಮಾಡೋದು. Decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal, you different systems. Each system has a base. Example, decimal equal to base 10, binary is equal to base 2. ನಮ್ಮ ಡೈಲಿ ಲೈಫ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ 0 to 9. ಈಗ 10, 20, 35 ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಬೈನರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇಸ್ 2 ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್, ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 digits 0 and 1. Computers only understand binary. That means 0 means off, 1 means on. Now, why computers use binary? Computers use electronic circuits. Circuits can be on or off. So, 1 is equal to on, 0 is equal to off. Binary is fast, reliable and very easy for computers. Now let's see a simple example of converting binary to decimal. Let's convert 1010 to decimal. Now write place values as 1, 2, 4, 8 that starts from right to left. Now multiply 1 with 8 plus 0 into 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 1. So that gives me 10. Simple alva? Now let's see how to convert decimal to binary with a simple example. Now let's convert decimal 10 to binary. Divide by 2 and note the remainders. So 10 divided by 2 when you do, you get 5. You can name it as R0. And when you divide 5 divided by 2, you get the remainder as 2, which you can name it as R1. And then 2 you divide by 2, you get 1, which you can name it as R0. And lastly, when you divide 1 divided by 2, you get 0, which you can name it as R1. So now reverse the remainders, you will get it as 1010. Just practice once or twice, it's very easy. There are 2 more number systems. One is octal, which is base 8, and hexadecimal, which is base 16. These are used mostly in programming and electronics. For beginners, just know the names. Quick recap friends, number system is equal to way to express numbers. Decimal is equal to 0 to 9, binary is equal to 0 and 1. Computers use binary and simple conversion is easy. Now it's practice time. First one, convert 1011 to decimal. Second one, convert 7 to binary. ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್, ನಾನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.